Hey guys, it's Courtney. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to do my 1 month One Sailor Senshi makeup look, and my camera is not focusing very well. So I already have my base, as you can see, and my eyebrows on, so I'm going to just start with the makeup. So the colors for October, was my phone, hold on, are for Sailor Neptune, so turquoise and seafoam green, which I feel I'm down for. Totally down. And this, as always, if you guys are new, haven't seen any of these collab videos before, is a collab with the Geeks and Beauties Facebook group, which I'm a part of on Facebook, which I can link down below. I said Facebook 3 times just now. It's fine. Like I said, it will also be linked down below in the description box. A lot of women are doing panning videos, like 5 pans, or they're doing makeup or nails, etc. And I'm obviously doing makeup because I have a lot of projects going on right now, and this just seemed to be more fitting for my life and my situation. But we're gonna get into it. We're looking for turquoise colors. So right here in front of me, I have my My Little Pony and ColourPop palette. There is this seafoamy shimmery green and this like really deep teal turquoise in that palette. I actually have a whole stack of turquoisey green shades. I'm pretty excited. In my Galaxy Chic palette from BH Cosmetics, these two right here are both like turquoisey. Actually, they are pretty much the same color, but those two are super beautiful, and I never get to use this palette. I always forget that I have it, so I want to maybe pull that one in. I also have my Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place, and there are some really pretty like turquoisey seafoam shades in here that are shimmery. I also obviously have my Urban Decay Electric palette in Freak. That one might be a little bit too green toned, but that's an option. My Zulu palette by Juvia's Place has this really pretty matte turquoise that I'm going to use in the crease for sure, and it has a really pretty like lime green. This I'm not going to use today, but like just look at it. Look at how beautiful that is. It's amazing. These shadows are so pretty. Anyway, but there is like a really light kind of like robin's egg blue that I might dive into a little bit. I haven't really decided. And then lastly, my Morphe Kathleen Lights palette has this beautiful shimmering seafoam kind of Kelly green, which I love. So that's an option as well. And I am just going to jump in. I already set my eye base down, so I'm just going to jump in with the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place for the crease shade. And if you can see on this hand, I took off my Fitbit and I have an indent. So don't be alarmed. My Fitbit has to be so tight on my arm so that it picks up my steps. It's actually really annoying. So I feel like this look is going to turn out really 80s, but I'm kind of okay with that. So we're just going to keep moving, keep going. I don't have any other matte shades that are this kind of color scheme, or really anything to deepen it up with. But what I think I want to do, take it back. So I think I'm going to take the black and the Urban Decay, this is the Morphe and Kathleen Lights collab palette. I think I'm just going to use that to deepen the crease, or deepen like the outer V, just because I want it to have more dimension than just 2 shadows, but I don't really want to bring in a bunch of other things, you know. And this black's actually like a really nice black because it's not super crazy intense, so it'll sheer out when you blend it out, which is kind of nice. So I'm just gonna take that fluffy brush and toss it in some like nude shade and just blend those two together. or not. So, going back in with that turquoise, I'm just going to use my finger and press it back over where the black got too excited. And then we're going to blend it again. I don't know if that brush I just used for that black was wet from when I washed it, if it wasn't all the way dry or what, but it did not, that did not blend out at all. Okay. I am going to take a little baby brush and I'm going to run that turquoise under my lash line too, just really lightly. And just to go full on alien, you know? I am going to be using the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek and Pearloon, which is the green one, if it'll show up on camera. Never mind, it's green. And I'm going to use this as a highlight too today, but I'm going to use this as a base for my shimmery shadow. I love this. I wish I could wear this highlighter all the time. But if you guys have used these ones specifically, like the pastel ones I came out with a couple years ago, they're super glittery. And on the skin alone, it's very obviously glittery. And it's not super work appropriate, unfortunately, so, you know. Okay, so I think I'm going to use my Galaxy Chick palette from BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to use Comet, which is this one. I'm going to use Comet farther back, like towards my outer V. It's a little bit darker. Actually, I think they're about the same, aren't they? Yep. So I use Meteor on the front half, and it's not, the only really difference you can see is because the light's hitting it. So I'm just going to run Comet all over this eye. Oh my god, so cute. And just for giggles, I'm going to take the shade Firefly in the My Little Pony palette, which is this one. This like white duochrome situation. And I'm just going to press that into my inner corner, but with a brush, not with my finger, because I stabbed myself last time I did that with my finger. I don't want to repeat that experience. So this shadow, Firefly specifically, is really good as an inner corner highlight. Not good as a all over lid shade, but it's really pretty as a highlight and like an inner corner highlight, but it doesn't work in other ways. So there's that. I'm gonna move on and do the rest of my face really quick. So like I said, I am gonna be using this as a highlight on my cheeks, and I'm also gonna be using the Aurora palette, the Aurora Glow Kit by Anastasia, and I'm gonna set it with Helia, which is this like light green color, just because I haven't used it yet and I really want to, and it looks pretty. It might look kind of crazy, but honestly, like I'm not going anywhere today, so does it really matter? No. Okay, I'm taking Helia on this highlighter brush, and ooh, child. Okay, camera. I am popping it in my brow bone as well, just to kind of blend those together. tie it in a little bit more. But I kind of like it. I don't know. What do you think? Alien enough? My nose looks crazy. Like the tip of my nose is so highlighted right now. It's fine. Who cares? I'm going to pause you guys really quick. Put on eyeliner and probably some fake lashes. Maybe. Haven't decided. And then I'm going to find a blush in my collection because I feel like this needs a blush as well. I do have bronzer and contour on, but I feel like it could do with a little bit more kind of color. I'll be back. Okay, so I didn't do falsies. I just ended up doing mascara. And my wings kind of, like, one looks way better than the other, but it's fine. That's what we're doing. So I'm going to use the City Color Be Matte Blush in Blackberry, because it's more of a nice cool tone, and just kind of... This blush is Soup's powdery. I do not remember that. But I guess it's been a minute since I used it. So cute. So this is obviously one way to go with a neutral lip. This is actually the Milani matte lipstick in Matte Beauty number 69. This is in a project that I'm doing right now, and I had like dead concealer lips earlier, so I just covered it really quick with this. But this is a way to go, so like have a heavy handed eye and a neutral lip. Or what I'm gonna do, because I want to, is I'm gonna actually do like a matte metallic lip that is teal, because I wanted to. So we're gonna do that, and it might look bad, but if not, I'll take a picture like this first for Instagram. Okay. Okay, moving on. So I'm using the e.l.f. moisturizing liquid, moisturizing lipstick in Blackout, which is black, obviously. And I'm honestly just gonna put it right over this one. Immediately gets it on my teeth. Okay. So, this is not the most even. Lipstick application I've ever done in my life, but it's close enough. And then I'm taking, this is the BH Cosmetics liquid lipstick in, do you have a name? Esmeralda. That was really hard to find. And I'm just gonna put it on the inner corner, like inner, the center, and kind of dab it out. Okay, take two, just gonna use my finger. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry really quick. And then I'm probably gonna throw some of the glitter on my lips. You guys see this right now? Can't tell? It's from the black. I'm gonna just pop some of this in the center to even more highlight the center, because that didn't quite do what I wanted it to. There we go. Okay, I feel like that is more what I was looking for. Like I said, do what you want, but I want to just be... I feel like when I do these videos, I can do whatever I want with my makeup because no one's judging me. Well, and if you are, you're judging me silently from a computer far, far away where I never get to see you in person. So This is the finished look. I need to take a picture for the thumbnail. Hold on. Alright, so like I said, that is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below if you are a part of this group and if you have posted your look yet or your painting update, etc. Like I said in the beginning, everyone involved and the Facebook page will be listed down below in the description box. We also do have a playlist as well, so you can watch everybody's channel, everyone's video if you would like. So I'll also have that link down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to hang out with me anywhere else on social media, it is all down below as well. Twitter, Tumblr, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat's down there. You can hang out with me any of those places. I love you guys so much. Like I already said, I hope you're having a great day, week, weekend, whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.